That sound you just heard, that's all you need to sync your audio with your video. It doesn't matter what microphone you're using, what drone or what camera, this simple trick works every time. Now, when I was trying to solve this problem, I kept running into overcomplicated solutions. People suggesting you record audio in the DJI controller, screen record it, and a bunch of unnecessary steps. So I came up with an easier solution. The key is to have a visual and an audio cue at the exact same time. First I tried a simple clap, but that works, but it's a bit tricky to synchronize perfectly because the motion of your hands does not stop abruptly and the sound of a clap fades in and fades out. So it makes it a bit tricky to synchronize perfectly. So I created this short 1-second video of a red background and a 1-second beep. After that second, the background turns white and the sound stops abruptly. This makes it way easier to synchronize your audio with the video perfectly. So here's how it works. Start recording video with your drone and audio with whatever microphone you are using. Make sure you're visible in the frame, hold your phone towards the camera and play the video. Set your phone's volume to maximum so you make sure that the beep is picked up correctly by the microphone. And that's it.
Now, in editing, syncing is easy. In the edit page, zoom in and place a marker on the last frame where the red background ends. In the Fairlight page, zoom in on the audio and set a marker where the beep ends. Align those two markers in the edit page and boom, your audio is synced. I'll add a link where you can download the video, or if you don't want to download anything, you can just use the very start of this video. Save it to your favorites or a playlist for quick access. I'll keep sharing things I learn and find interesting, so if we have common interests, don't be shy, hit subscribe. Have fun making your videos.